Hey everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome. So how was your Christmas? Did you have a happy New Year's Eve? Yeah, we didn't do anything New Year's Eve. Christmas we went to Hubby's sister's like we usually do. So I have a new phone that I'm recording on right now, and it seems to have a wider, what do you call it? Shows more, I think, in the video. So that's kind of cool, right? I was using a Galaxy S9 before. Now this one is a Galaxy S23 FE. Yeah, so I like it. I like it a lot. I've been doing some recording on a tutorial with this new phone. I don't know where to look, but if I look right directly at myself, does it look like I'm looking at you? That's what I used to do on the other phone. Just look at myself, and then I see all my flaws. Anyway, welcome everyone. It's good to see you all. Yeah, I had a mishap with my eye, and I'll link the video above, wherever it goes, and below if you haven't seen it yet. A lot of people looked at that video, and you guys are so concerned about me, and I thank you for your concern. Yeah, but I'm okay. So yeah, it's all the bruising up here went away within a week, and then it started to come down here. So it's been 2 weeks today, I guess. I think it's 2 weeks today. So it's clearing up. Yeah, but I'm doing good. Okay, so if you want to know the story, check out that video that I linked. All right. So I promised yesterday that this video would be about crochet. All right, so this is going to be my next tutorial. I need to do some more editing and take pictures and things like that. But it is, well, it's a shrug, but I'm thinking it's kind of like a, what do they call that? Cocoon sweater, kind of? But it's a way easier. Yeah, all right. And I've made other ones, and I'll link those probably up here or below, using different stitches. And I'm still connected to the yarn because I have the last row to complete. Yeah, I know things are just crazy, but I've been doing a lot of crocheting over the Christmas holiday. Okay, so it is this. And I use 2 different yarns, and I'll talk about that when I get the tutorial up, which will be sometime this week. So yeah, at the front here, the zigzags go vertically, and at the back they're horizontally. Yeah. So I just, and then they fill it in all the way around, and so you can close it at the front. And see, this is where I'm hooked on right here. But I put a little pin here. I've got that pin at Temu. So I just closed it with that pin. And of course, you don't have to close it. You can leave it open as well. Okay. So next thing, I made a hoodie a while back, and I have a tutorial linked up here and below. And I believe I held 2 yarns together. I'm pretty sure I did. This time I wanted to make it with 1 yarn. So I used Pound of Love by Lion brand, and it's a medium 4 weight. And Hubby gave me 2 of these for my birthday, and some other yarns as well. And a Gadget, a crocheting Gadget. So if you haven't seen that video, it'll be linked above and below. And yeah, he went to Michael's all by himself and picked everything out all by himself. A salesperson didn't even help him. I mean, he never asked anybody to help him, so very proud of him, actually. Okay, so this is 100% premium acrylic. So I'm actually going to put the hoodie on to show you. Oh, this colorway is made in Turkey. Colorway is Thistle, and it's, here's a sneaky peek. It's like a purpley color. About like that, maybe a little darker than what I can see in my screen, and maybe a little, yeah. But I used a whole ball, and I used a 5mm hook. So a whole ball was, let's see here, 16 ounces, 454 grams, 1,020 yards, 932 meters. So a whole ball, and then I actually got into the second ball, and I used a fair amount, I would say, of the second ball. I just have one more thing to do, but a couple more things to do. Okay, I'm gonna try it on, or put it on and show you guys. All right, be right back. All right, so this is it. Okay, I did the bottom different than I did in the tutorial, but I did the bottom like I did the cuffs on the sleeves. I think I did the cuffs the same way in the tutorial, but the bottom I did differently. But I did the, drawstring with beads like I did in the tutorial. This is just marking that this was the front of the, like the right side, and I just haven't taken it out yet. And you do a panel at the back, and you do one panel at the front as well, making this slit for your neck. And there's also a hood, but you don't have to make the hood. You can just make a collar if you want, and I do show that in the video. And yeah, I really like the way it's worked, so that you have the stripes in the crochet stitch going vertically. It's I think it's more of a slimming look than horizontally. Yeah, so this is it. I really like it in this yarn, and this yarn was so easy to work with. What else do I have to say about it? Oh yes, a pocket. I did make a pocket, like I did in the tutorial as well, and I just haven't sewn it on yet. So I'm gonna sew it on. That's the only thing I need to do, other than, weave in some ends. But yeah, this is gonna be great for spring. Absolutely great. So when I go to Timmy's and hang out with the people there outside, it'll be nice. It'll be nice to wear. It'll be comfortable and kind of toasty. I think that's all I'm gonna show today, but I just, I missed you guys over the holidays. I did put up a video yesterday showing my Happy Mail, and thank you everyone, and also some cards I made. Yeah, I sometimes make cards, but I don't, that's not what this channel is about, but it's something a little different to show you. But it's mostly about crochet over here. And in a video, and all over the internet, I was asking if somebody had a certain yarn that they'd like to sell. Well, someone reached out to me, and I'm so happy. I should be getting that yarn in my mailbox tomorrow. I will probably be picking it up Saturday, and it is for a tutorial that I'm doing. I didn't have enough here. And so when I get it, I'll open it and show you guys and everything. So I'm very thankful, and it's a blessing. Everything's a blessing. Every good thing that happens is a blessing, right? And where the blessings come from, they have to come from somewhere. Come from God. Okay, I think that's it. All right, I'll talk to you all again soon. All right, bye.